Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be talking about cattle farming. It is the practice of raising and managing the cattle for two purposes, for milk and for labor for agricultural work. Labor for agricultural work such as carting, tilling, irrigation, etc. There are two species of cattle which we generally use in cattle farming. These are cows and buffaloes. The scientific name of cows is Bos indicus. Bos indicus. And the scientific name of buffalo is Bos bubalis. Bos bubalis. Please note that the milk producing females are known as milch, and the cattle which we use for farm labor, it is known as draught animals. Draught animals. Production of milk depends upon the duration of lactation period. It depends on lactation period. This is the duration of production of milk after a calf is born. Production of milk can be increased by increasing the lactation period. This can be done by crossbreeding to get desired qualities in a calf. This is done by crossbreeding. For example, we can breed two species. One is exotic or foreign breed. For example, Jersey, Brown Swiss. We can crossbreed this with local breeds such as Red Sindhi or Sahiwal. This Jersey Brown Swiss is selected for long lactation period, and local breeds, these are resistant to diseases. So that is how we can increase the lactation period. This is all about cattle farming. If you have any question, you can leave a comment. Thank you so much for today and have a great day.